First, cleaning after installation. Let's see together how to clean your new porcelain stoneware floor that has just been installed. First of all, let's consider the type of grout used and the type of ceramic surface you have chosen. Cleaning after installation with cement-based grout. Natural and polished surfaces. What you need. Specific acidic cleaning agent for porcelain stoneware surfaces. Water, broom, floor mop, and bucket. A few hours have passed since the grouting, and the grout have started to dry. Notice, doesn't it seem opaque anymore? Well, it's time to sweep the floor. Within 2 days from grouting, wash the floor with water. Dilute the acid according to the instructions and spread the solutions obtained evenly. Scrubbing with a mop. Avoid contact between the acid solution and other materials like metals, marbles, woods, etc. Leave it on for a few minutes and rinse. Use clean rags and change the water often, repeating the operation several times. For large industrial or commercial surfaces, we recommend using a single disc machine and wet vacuum cleaner. Remember to always protect any inserts in acid attackable materials. Use rotary single disc machines with discs fit for use. Textured surfaces. What you need. Specific acidic cleaning agent for porcelain stoneware surfaces. Water, broom, floor mop, or medium bristled brush. Let the grout dry until the product has lost its plasticity. You will understand this from the opaque patina on the surface. Times vary according to the composition of the mortar and the climate. However, the joints will be completely hardened after about 48 hours. Now, wet the floor with water. Wash it with a professional acid cleaner diluted 50% in water, and let the solution act for about 20 minutes. If you see streaks, remove them with a mop and acid, following the instructions for use. It is important to remove the grout when it is steel plastic, avoiding that it remains on the tiles for a long time, especially where there are accumulations that may become more difficult to remove. For large industrial or commercial surfaces, we recommend using a single disc machine and a wet vacuum cleaner. Use rotary single disc machines with discs fit for use. Cleaning after installation with epoxy grout. For all surfaces, what you need. Water, single disc machine with felt abrasive, doctor blade, rags, floor mop, wet vacuum cleaner. Before starting, 2 tips. For the method and times of application of the epoxy grout, it is essential to strictly follow the manufacturer's instructions. For grouting with a contrasting color, it is advisable to first test it in an inconspicuous area of the floor. The first cleaning of floors sealed with the epoxy grout must be done fresh, with a floor machine equipped with abrasive felt and with abundant use of water. Collect the residual liquid with a soft rubber doctor blade and remove it with a wet vacuum. It is important that this is done as quickly as possible. Pay attention to the abrasive disc. During washing, the grout tends to thicken between the fibers. Replace it before it gets too wet. If you realize that it's been too long since the installation and the grout has begun to set, use the cleaners recommended by the grout manufacturer. Attention! Once the epoxy grout has completely hardened, it can no longer be cleaned. At that point, you will have to act mechanically, risking to damage the ceramic surface. For further advice and information, contact the grout manufacturer.
Cleaning and care. If, after installation, a good initial cleaning has been done, routine maintenance of a porcelain stoneware floor will be simple. You can remove everyday dirt from any type of ceramic surface simply with clean water or with water and bleach, diluted up to 50%. Remember that it is preferable to use hot water or steam. Last but not least, use periodically a basic detergent such as our Caesar 2 or Fila's PS87 Pro. Rinse carefully and dry the floor.